We got that beautiful AMG GTC. We got new wheels, Fossen forged. Welcome back at our famous off location. We got that beautiful AMG GTC. We got new wheels, Fossen forged, so we manufactured totally individually. We got 20x 9.5 at the front and we got 20x 12 at the back. I think it's a nice and clean look, and we installed the adjustable spring set, which gives it a nice, clean, down to bottom look. What do you think? Do you like it? If you like it, please hit on the comment box and follow us, follow our journey. Niklas, Carp on.